Okay, just wanted to do kind of a sneak peek preview video here. It won't be too long, but so I'll have another video coming where I talk about and I show all the modifications I'm making to the center console on my 2000 Toyota 4Runner. I'm doing some upgrades to that and some repairs, and I'll have a full video kind of outlining everything I've done to it in terms of upgrades. That's putting a new pad on the top, that's cleaning it up, that's showing how it's put together, that's installing USB chargers in the back, that's deleting the ashtray, all that kind of stuff in conjunction with the 4Runner build. But right now, I wanted to just show one of the items that I'm using. So what this is this is a switch panel, and it comes from a company called BH3D Printing on Etsy. I've been communicating with the gentleman who runs the company there, Brad Hicks. Really have found this product to be really well made. In talking with him, he mentioned that they do a real nice chemical finishing process, and you can see the surface finish is on the front that sticks out is just absolutely outstanding. And so what this panel is if you have a later model center console from I think it's from 99 on, they moved the cup holders down low and took them off the center dash. And so with that particular center console armrest thing, you have the handbrake, and then just to the left of the handbrake, you have kind of this weird, like, I don't know what it's for, but it's kind of a void area that I personally didn't like it. So what I did was I looked up and I found this panel that inserts into the little kind of factory stuff. And you can get it in different configurations. They have it with switches going sideways. I ordered the ones going down. And you can see this is a factory Toyota blanking plate. This comes out of the dash where your e-locker would normally go, your e-locker switch. And so because I'm putting the e-locker on my 4Runner, kind of retrofitting it, I have this extra switch. But you can see it pops in here really nice. I mean, it's got a real good kind of factory look to it. And I'll probably be putting some sort of Toyota switch or something in here, to control something on the 4Runner. But I just wanted to kind of give a sneak peek about what I'm doing. And if you're curious about, kind of retrofitting your center console, particularly deleting this little kind of area that this panel goes in, or putting something in there that gives it more of a finished look. Stay tuned to the channel, because I'll have that in the upcoming weeks once I get my console all dialed in, and I'll kind of give a run through on that. But for now, just wanted to show this. Like I say, this comes from a company called BH3D Printing. Been real impressed with kind of my communications with the company. I bought this with my own money. This is not a sponsorship or anything like that. I just wanted to kind of show what I'm working on over here for anyone who might be interested in sprucing up the center console on their 4Runner. All right, stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching.